All right, I'm going to talk about Google Calendar share settings. This is something we all need to be aware of now that students have access to Google Calendar because they can very easily add you to their calendar and have access to all of your events and information. And I don't know that that needs to be a problem. I'm going to leave my calendar set so students and teachers and anyone who wants to look can see my calendar. I'm just going to be careful about what I put on my calendar. And I make that choice because I want other teachers to be able to take a look at my calendar and see when I'm busy and see when I've got something going on. But that's a setting that each person can kind of look through and make their own decision. I'm going to show you all your options in this video. Also, worth noting, this is only really pertinent to your primary calendar, the one attached to your name. You don't really have to worry about it as much with any secondary calendars. So if you did want to put some confidential information in a calendar, it would be better suited maybe for a secondary calendar. Alright, so I'm going to click on the little triangle next to my name and go to share this calendar. And right now I've got it set, and I believe this is the default, to share this calendar with others, and I'm sharing with everyone in our organization, and people can see all event details. Let's switch over to a student account and see what they see. So if a student, and this is just a student account that I've logged into, if they want to add my calendar, all they do is type my name into this box. And if this box isn't shown, they just click other calendars here to show it. So just click Ike Miller. Okay. And this process would be the same for other teachers. If you want to add the calendar for any user in our system, this is the process for doing it. So right there, typed in my name, and you see all the events I had scheduled for this week. All right. So now I'm going to come back and I'm going to adjust this setting. I can also kind of step it back a notch and say, see only free or busy. So this hides all the details. So I'll save it. Let me switch back to the student's account. So again, this is the student's account now. I'll refresh the web page. You see, it just shows that I'm busy during all these times. Right? So it doesn't actually show what the details of the events are. And that last setting that I'll show is I can just uncheck this box altogether. And now this means students and teachers and alike, and no one would be able to see whether I'm free, whether I'm busy. They won't be able to see anything. So again, this is the student account now. I'm going to refresh the web page. And you can see that even though my calendar has loaded, none of the events on my calendar have loaded because they're all hidden.